much GH so every year we say Jumedi Biara aye de bro abribia no trending issues no yes I a baby media me so ene kwado fori and then so and say foforo and abadwama so ache say eje na home na pa e wo man mu ya dodo na e ka ho nsem amafo ese ensem media omonkwa no monim se ne ombesi ombekasa fa ebi si eye ebi nso si enye ebi ese eyese okasa asa ebi nso si enye se okasa asa na hwan hwan asem ne yake ye papa Honorable Kennedy Ohene Agyapong baka nsem bebre na yenko hwe video no emra ye ba na emom pensem mu biara wo ho no ye na wo ache
to punch out. You cannot monitor every day, but randomly you pick it and check those who came to work, how long they stayed and everything. This is how we can move the country. Discipline first. I went to Rwanda talking to a kid, and the place is so neat. He said, you can't put anything on the ground. You can't. Paul Gigami doesn't have PhD. He's a military officer. And now we are quick to make reference to Rwanda. We have a lot of opportunities in Ghana that are untapped when it comes to tourism. I am going to use tourism, mechanized farming, agro-processing to change the fortunes of Ghana. First, Ghana is geographically positioned than any country in the world because we are center of the world. The latitude and longitude 0 degrees meet at Tema. We don't make noise. We don't talk about it. We don't market our country. We need to market our country. One of my dreams for the center of the world is simple. Center of the world hotel. Wow. The most beautiful hotel in Ghana should be center of the world. And the design is that every 4 floors will be a shape of a continent. Then at least 4 restaurants in every 4 floors. 4 specialized cuisines from Africa. 4 specialized cuisines from Europe, 4 specialized cuisines from America. Let people go there and have fun, enjoy life. And it can be done. It can be done if the Sahara Desert, Dubai, the Emirates are changing it. Why can't we do it? I was flying from Takoradi to Accra, and I saw where River merges, the sea. And the blue sea is brown. We need to change it. We'll change it. Ghana, we have all these castles. And you see people easing themselves. And the excuse is that is where they get fresh air. Beachfronts are the most expensive land on earth. You can't go to beach these days. The filth in our sea, Jesus Christ, we need to change it. And I will change it. If you swim me in today, tomorrow Coast Gas will take over the place. We need sea transport. I've been to Istanbul. And Istanbul, they have sea transport. Istanbul is situated between 2 continents, Asia and Europe. Those who live at Asia cross with small boats to Europe and work. Those who work at Asia and live at Europe cross to Asia and work. And the sea is called Bosphorus. sea transport. Those staying at Kasoa, it takes them 2.5 hours to get to the city. Whilst we can use a ferry from Kasoa to Accra Central, what are we doing? We gotta be creative to ease traffic. We gotta be creative. You see our leaders speaking English. Meanwhile, their pocket is empty. English, big words. We gotta be practical. We gotta be practical. Elenina Castle and Cape Coast Castle. I dared tourism ministry to sell one of the castles to me and let me develop it for them to see. And my vision is simple. The tunnel where these slaves pass through to the sea, you just take a picture of it, then you open it up. Because some people are afraid because of the size of the holes. So what you do is, you open it up and paste the original pictures here. Then we have boats written point of no return. Have live band, food, nice drinks. That time Bishop should close his eyes. We want to make the money first. Then Sunday, you remember better connection. You know, let the people have fun. They will ride from Malibina to Takoradi and back. Just like 42nd Street, we go there. By the time I come back, within 2-3 hours, myself and my many kids, I would have spent about $4,000. Why can't we do same? I have ideas. Ghana, Uganda, Tanzania, Kenya, Botswana, South Africa. They use this theme parks, zoos, game parks, whatever. And last year, Kenya, tourism, they made $60 billion. And we have tourist sites more than Kenya. The oldest Bible a white man brought into Africa to spread Christianity is still at Elimina Catholic Church. We don't talk about it. Meanwhile, when you go to London Museum, you see Winston Churchill mimicking with FDR, and people queue, pay money to go and just listen. And we have all these things there. It's there. Just showcase it. This is the oldest Bible the white man brought here. And people pay money for it. That's how you make money. Mole Park. I was going to Wa and I saw these elephants crossing the highway. So I asked, where from this zoo? This is Mole Park. Say, Jesus Christ. Our leaders don't smell money. We don't smell money. Because the money these countries, Uganda, Kenya, South Africa, Botswana, Tanzania, are making out of these animals. What are we doing? The only country in the world that a human being can sit on crocodile without a bite is Ghana. Paga, crocodile plants. And we don't do anything. We need affordable hotels. The world is affordable. Ghana hotels, empty. You enter, you pay $800, the place is empty. Because they've loaded about 18 different taxes on. We'll scrap it. Make it affordable. Let people come into the country. What are we doing? Tourism. The year 2019, when President Akufo-Addo declared the year of return, between October to January, Ghana made $1.3 billion. Our cocoa, today, they cannot even get 1.3 billion. Tourism, the revenue that will generate from tourism, I assure you, is more than the gold, cocoa, and oil combined. But we've neglected this area. The only ministry with the lowest budget is tourism ministry. Because our priorities are not right. Case closed. Tourism means neatness. Come, they see the city is clean. Ghanaian workers at the front desks of most of the hotels, they don't smile. They frown their faces as if you owe them. You are going to pay money for them to be paid. But they don't smile. They don't attract people. We need to train all these workers to attract people. It is important. These are simple courtesies that will let tourists come and go and sell our story for others also to come. What are we doing? As if they don't like their jobs. If you don't like the job, go home. Go home. As simple as that. So there's a lot we can do in Ghana to change Ghana. We have these arable lands. I personally believe that we should use the 5 northern regions, Afram Plains, Accra Plains, to feed the whole Africa. 44 years ago, my cousin was forced to marry a guy because the guy had 2 acres farm and he married 2 women classmates. To date, when you see a successful farmer in my village, it's still 2 acres. 44 years ago, to date, it's still 2 acres. Meanwhile, when you cross the border to Côte d'Ivoire, when you enter a plantation, 5 months, coconut, palm, pineapple, cashew. When we were kids, they asked a question in school. Which country is the leading producer of cocoa? You raise your hands. Ghana. Today, can we say that? Can we say that? Côte d'Ivoire produces over 2 million tons, whilst Ghana is struggling to produce 800 tons. With the population of 32 million Ghana and 21 million Côte d'Ivoire. And they are the leading producers. Why? We need to change it. We need to change it. You need a leader who has a drive. You need a leader who dreams big. You need a leader who is honest. You need a leader who puts his country first. You don't need leaders who think by virtue of becoming president and ministers, they should be the richest people in the country. That breeds corruption right there. How can Biden say that because he's president of America, he should be richer than Elon Musk? It's not possible. He will go to jail. Case closed. Biden, as soon as he thinks like that, will go to jail because it's not possible. The only way for Biden to compete with Elon Musk is to take the whole treasury of America, which is also impossible. But Africa, the moment they are sworn in, they want to be the richest in their countries. That is where our problem is. We need selfless leaders. At this point in my life, what do I need? My sugar is up anytime I take this rich food. So yesterday, a guy came to me, plantain, tomatoes, and chininim. Meanwhile, when I was young, I was stealing to eat. Now that I can afford, I can eat. You see, that is the wealth. So what am I going to steal or take the money to? Me, I can tell you, in America here, all the rents they pay to me, yesterday I checked my account, it was 35,000 cedis, dollars. Just for school fees. When they pay the rent, they put it in there. My kids, and they pay their. I will not bring money from Ghana to come and save here. I will invest and create jobs for this youth. Yes, you have others who are taking monies, buying houses everywhere. I had all my houses before I went back home. I have at least 7,158 permanent workers. And my dream is to become president by 2024. I should have 12,000 permanent workers. I'm building a steel plant, and the steel plant takes 1,000 Ghanaians. The biggest coal store in Africa is 31,000 tons. For me, I'm also going to employ 250. I have a paint factory that is also coming up. I don't need Ghana's money. I just want to make a difference in society, so that when I die, just as a lady told me, I will come to Ghana and vote for you. When you hear my death, you say that this is a man who changed Ghana. You will fly just to come to my funeral. Yes. That is all I need in life. I don't need money. My salary as president, I will set a presidential scholarship and give it to the needy students to go to school. That is all I will do. And I've calculated it. I'll strike an average of 100,000 cedis a month for president. In 12 months, I'll make 1.2 million. 1.2 million, every child from one constituency. At least one child from one constituency, 275. It means one child will get 4,333. And that will save him and let him go to school. Whilst, meanwhile, I don't need the 100,000. From 100,000, at the end of the month, my kitchen staff, I pay them more than 100,000. But the child, that brilliant child, who doesn't have help, can benefit from that money. That is all I need to do. Ghana, we are not poor. Because from being all the way to the north, Pusiga and Paga, the land is so flat, mechanized farming, not this agrarian style. And whatever I'm telling you, I walk the talk. If you don't believe it, let's go to Ghana. I'll buy you a ticket. Any doubting Thomas, I'll take you to Atebubuamantini to go and see. But if it's your village, then you know what I'm talking about. Myself and my partner, we acquired 125,000 acres of land. We've cleared 15,000 acres cassava. We built a plant. We have employed 960 people from Atebubuamantini. So when you look at this land, and somebody lives in the north and calls himself poor, how? How? We need to change our style of agriculture. We need to improve it, mechanize ones. I was there a week or two ago. Shea butter, apparently they don't grow it. It comes by itself naturally. And they don't know what to do with shea butter. I'm going to build a plant there. And we are going to block all those white people that come to take the shea butter away and sell it back to us. We have to sell it to them. If you give me opportunity, I will run Ghana like my business. Ghana has to make money. Every business will want profit so that it can survive. Therefore, Ghana, we have to run it like a business. It is important. If not, Ghana oil. They use Ghana oil to pay salaries. And I asked a question. before President Kufuor discovered this oil, weren't we paying Ghanaian workers? Why can't we use our oil productively? And we pay workers with it. Those who go to work, sit there 3 hours, they take their bag and go enjoy oil money. We have a problem. And I want like-minded people like you all to come home. If you don't even want to work, be there as a consultant. Share your experience in America here with them. I, as a leader, will give you the opportunity. Because what I know is the civil servant and the public service, they don't want change. Ghanaians come back, they want to impart the knowledge they've acquired abroad, but the citizens over there do not give them chance, and they get frustrated, they come back. And you see Ghanaians elsewhere holding key positions in various countries, but in our own country, when they come, they are not given the opportunity. We must change that. We must change it. The only country that they prefer foreign businesses to Ghanaian businesses. See these two gentlemen sitting there. They have, I'm sorry, I have to tell the truth. Or your experience should be given to others also to learn. They have a beautiful hospital and hotel. And meanwhile, they sit here, they work hard, and take money here to go and pay the workers. Taking care of the hospital, managing the hospital, and managing the hotel. How? Where does the money go? Every manager wants to steal from you to go and establish his own. We are naturally bombarded. I will tell you the truth. If because of that you are not going to vote for me, so be it. I will tell you the truth. We are naturally bombarded. That is why you see foreigners have taken over our country. Ghanaian workers, we are like slaves. Slaves in the sense that when you go to Palace, when you go to Merco, the low-income jobs is what our citizens are doing. It is because of our mindset. When Agyapong set up a business, all they do is, Agyapong, they will steal from me, they will steal from me. By the time you realize he has set up his own business and yours is collapsed. In fact, they've done that to the foreigners too. So what they are doing now is that when a Lebanese establishes business, he goes to Lebanon, no matter how much it will cost him, even if it's an expensive labor force, they will bring them to Ghana to man the businesses for them. So when you go to Palace, for instance, you will see all the key positions are being held by the Lebanese. Then the Ghanaians are standing there. They will follow you. Are you dumb? Are you dumb? You don't like your own. Our managerial has broken completely. We need to build it again. That is why you have to come home and also help. But I was advising my two young men here that if you don't have time, don't establish business and leave it for your mother in Ghana. If you don't have time, don't establish business and give it to your uncle. If you don't have time, don't establish business and give it to your brother. It won't work. And I know most of you here are witnesses to what I'm saying. You send money home. You send money home for them to build a house for you. It will take you 12 years. Meanwhile, your cement, your iron rods being diverted to his place, his site. I have an accountant in New Jersey. He went home. His own classmate has duped him and built a house out of the factory that he's building. That is why initially I said that we need to change the mindset. It's important. Without the mindset, no miracle, no Jesus Christ will come anywhere and change the country. So what I have done is, I have called some musicians and given them ideas about patriotic songs. They should compile them. We'll do R&B, we'll do the gospel, we'll do everything. Then we'll bring all the artists, like We Are the World. Let them sing in the stadium. Then after that, every radio station will play it in the morning to conscientize especially the youth that are coming. One of them that I love very well, Susubribi, Maumai, so my baby, so you know, those things. When we were young, we were singing the national anthem. Let us sing the patriotic songs to conscientize these youth that are coming, to love our country. It is important. I know a champion did it. Wala tualasa, nifa, Operation Feed Yourself, and it went to a point. That is the kind of leadership we need so that we can move our nation. Because where we are, if we don't change, collectively, Ghana will never work. But besides that, you need a leader to steer that. A leader.
I share video, no, and I see Ohene Kennedy, Agyapong, and some are Kanina, Wamayaho, and some and your Maoba, or Mayu now, Babetina, or Babe, and your my winning team. I can't wish to suit and send your pair, or do mine first, Ninano, or the neighborhood, and my unity. Because when I found messages and not a bright sunset, messages in the amount for I shall see and send it. Say, only a bit so honor or share, I catch and say, or share on your name. Now, I think you're able to send no more serenia, but some baby be me and my waiting near that way. Pa, Nanyaman Kwana or her, Mene and when young 42 me, no, I come home. Yet I say, Yanko Poison on pa. Now, the Odikai or Miss Any Fasono, eh, ya papa, American against your friend BB, Ben Bruce. Ya papa and more papa. Yeah. I'm a patron to say, oh, why the other my crew. Yet, a radius, a radius. You would do her, ya papa, Nadine. I said the whole world back up. I would do for 99, Prophet 99. Would you for more power?
When you subscribe, is it and 72 scar?
Emo.
Director, we need a cash. I'm buying the money.
Okay.
I'm going to cars. I got one car.
Director, so my back.
Not option. I buy the sofa option. But all my two cars, I take one car.
Okay, maybe back.
See, I work on
it. I don't know. Would you for 99? Let me see that magic.
But I take Leicester, over 99. I'm saying, France, no, my fans are direct for a crack tuna. But I take Leicester, fine mine, a gentleman, the whole friend, the man filling the guitar. Leicester.
You can't tell. I'm a patch of person. I found messages in Ebra. Now, you're breaking kind Eddie amount every aircon. If Papa, I say, in your airport video, no. I tell some my Papa Kennedy or Henry Japan, I can you now, and a quite a person day or my Ghana a fossil. Who's so saying, Mamma Chassis first. I made sure what you for you beyond the Biomo you saw the one who dot in your and Africa for a dominant year panic cassa because you share a kufuado or Bacassa Bibribo Cassai and yet you man now why you're not there. Let's say Africa for ye Cassa de Yadi. Now, mean Cassa owns me because we need to 7 and Yamina Menino mine or no Kubu mine. But you see, a do being so an percent you holding on to their word. And until now, a do time when not the panic as what would you record it home? YouTube book down, baby down because oh yeah, not Yamea, I do not better than Yanaswa.
edu baabi no nko yi am wa start about them because yes no twasa no onim say the chia ne sam no Canada practically no say can the best they be am so hwe o mind to say Egypt omuni hwe omuni go omuni hwe a tourism that's the only thing that they have but Ghana no ade e high no enye say ye ni sika o to say the kufu ado kan no buy went me anya no yet sika so na so come de yen yet sika so o ma wie sika nti come de yen ta na na esa ko ka se Ghana say yetimi yetimi jai krono bo politicians no na sika no koje no o mo de ye adwuma e so o mo de ye na enye se minimum ti na me ma contracts ana se ebia adwuma no me pe kickback na adwuma na ye be ye no ye ya ka Ghana ye ni problem India ni bi buy no ye kwan na minimum no ohu me no say hey is that how your country is I'm say ade wasi wo ye kwan no wo so mo krom no ye first layer second layer why third layer why your first layer second layer na guy no the contract man say don't do any third layer let's share the money Ghana ni no or catch India ni say enye third layer bia na say ya na ye kwan ni share enu ti na kwan bebre ye akwan na within 2 years na atutu no
but one say Kennedy answer na woka o enyina so nti a wode kasa because woka one say o no wakasa no woka bi say efa adwuma yesemse no ono owo workers bebre e wona se ya che say oba betena so a obekoso aye e ma workers na ye be aba be ka ho e ma be 2024 na e ko na wie kura ye no anya be 2000 workers ntutu so no wonyina so nti a wa ye be o ka sa asem
to buy na kufa de no ni nyina so
o be o say o so no the practical asase e no refel
e kufa do blueprint no de buy no let me be frank with you
okay
me I was convinced me who president bia oba so a no one plan to say kufa do da Ghana ade mienu ne higher education and edumasem your education what family no nipa ya ade a onhu se de obe no but obi kwa school ka do SHS na oye shoemaker po a oye shoemaking na hu se we skill wo enti obai no the free SHS by him say hallelujah ye wie obi so the one district one factory and also see when you na it say asem because well who said nkofo be wie school mu wie so mu nya adwuma one district one factory SN national blueprints idea no be taking Ghana out of what we call poverty by implementation they are poor one district one factory I can say one region one factory in the meantime every region na ya mama a big factory first year or second year sa na so ye no owia no akọ ebia region as a local district who go straight to district you will fail
Jinese na nado wa say dan planning
ni ho me who plan on the buy na say plan way to fail
but so buy no 200 more
and when 200 more because tio Yeti America say starting in Kakan, you want bigger factories being fed by the smaller factories.
okay
Abroche Yetia, Ejuma or no. Nip Ejuma Baku and your car, one year tie, one year say Debbie. Your company on your tie, your company on your design. It's Obianya Bia. It's first of all, Waba national way no. Every region here should have one national factory. Based on what they produce.
okay
Oh yeah. Now when we no see no say 4 years na kwa na best e be fa ni ba no big factory. Oh yeah na for work down. Now why smaller factories no? Smaller factories no am no produce nyama kitikiti a bigger factories no they will use.
okay
And now we started from the smaller factories now any big way na why national way. But the way here no bisa say nyama na ye produce no nyama na kwai marketing granule. It's the way you strategize and yet
to entertain your money
and it's the same thing. Or Kennedy, or can you papa? Me na kasa or can pass and Debbie.
yeah
Why penny? But bisa ho said Aso I didn't know can. I didn't ever preventing from achieving it. One, nipa no mu wo man mu no, wo ma dwenye. Ya dwenye. The same nipa okwa abochira or the best worker. Oba Ghana because on your patriotic intino, no abeg Ghana ska. And only the first thing that we need to tackle.
To man agasa o man move for.
Yenti say ye Ghana for, ye nim say Ghana for.
Say your my money na.
Ye nim me na make catch ye nim oni ukọ America. Now who obi a ubisa no who are you? Or say I'm an American. What in Hoodie to the pride. The only tribe in Ghana. America say only are proud of themselves in the Ashantis.
Okay.
The rest of us we are not. Many are gabbing me. Ubisa no papa so. You are a Ghanaian. I hope you so be me a papa in a area. Me as a thing in a area. We are Ghanaian. Do you know why you have to say that?
Why?
Because we are Ghanaian. Unye bibia ebeha Ghana.
Okay.
America ya who happen ya same na two. America is the greatest nation on this earth. Okay. It is superior than anybody. You have more confidence in life. Number two, you see, put America first. Everything you do, not even your mother. It's what will benefit America is what you do. It's in that sport beyond they excel because the patriotism is there. We are not patriotic. It's a similar okay. Nipana on your mother yejumano. What won't tell us? What's in America?
But I say, my son, I went papa 99, or D4 99. I remember also, Yen Yati and Sama, your papa or Henry Agyapong Eka, also say.
Why be?
Why be?
So, okay.
Okay.
My major platform is Namichia, a Satimira, Namichia, police penny, retire coffee banchi. Namichia me bra penny, our Lester, Jake, Lester. I'm coming in a moment. A tear for one more hands and shall.
Amen.
Then you on your be a commercial area.
Emma.
I know Yedisha body said, baby. I know I can't send the baby.
Okay.
Then I say, I know Yedisha body. And the Retimican baby, but my cousin baby.
Okay.
Because of party and tea. I know Yedisha body. Boshe, but my cousin baby for Boshe.
Okay.
But Nina say, yeah, the young share.
Okay.
The year young share. And it just say, it is 2 minutes more. Yeah, the young share. Now, what's it? One
It's just one
at the back.
And the game changer.
The game changer, I prefer I don't put in mind.
I know guy.
Oh, yeah.
Send America.
Send me 2 man, I'm going to swallow.
But I'm saying implementation poor.
But so one yet.
Oh, starting.
Why should I say?
Oh, and Casa. Oh, wait, Casa, they have been doing.
Oh, I went here. I went
Met me up go there. I trust here. Because you're no
question. Maybe
you show on TV. GTV on show. Why be? But my parents said the implementation itself is not good.
Another better could also. What be a man?
What be it?
I remember be.
Oh, maybe. Sabe mo bi di nchira.
Chebe di mo bi ogana.
Babe, mami mo bi. Mami mo bi nchira.
Obi e di ma ka youth no trust super bet.
Oh, na de.
Ghana ye chaloto mienu a day.
Meba.
E go be na Ghana for.
Odi for 99. Lotto ni de se wo pa. And as sporty bet wo pa e na obi.
Jaja. Wan bi e duma sanado wan bi e duma Ghana for. O mo discount nyina.
Asem o ka e fa 1 day 1 afi ho. Oguso o ye ho adwuma.
O ye wani.
Oye, opa yengugo sisi ye.
Company be no be we din Ghana ha. Wa wafa a minor for workers go ma ye.
Oh, and you onim. So far me pa cho. See mami ka be bin cho. Project was at 232 projects. Ni aye adwuma. New factories here 28.
There factories are.
Oh, na dem na me church back ma. Me ba cho. Old factories are where we are 48. What the bomber? What the 20, but it's about around 70 something, right?
Messi wa ye no chere me se o na do be di ade no
Akufi factory
na do be di ade no
Akufi factory
sugar factory
Akufi factory na me catch Akufi it's me ma listen no
Okay.
Me ma listen no
no that's why be adwuma mo
me ma listen na
Messi chere me ba ko pe
oh baby mama Akufi factory
then o me ya wo
factory ni
ma ko school o me ya da wo
me wale owo watermelon factory wale
watermelon
Casa Preco. I'm telling you.
Watermelon.
Yeah.
Factory.
Yes. Someone here juice. Never factory.
They
don't have factory.
Allah Akbar Muslim.
Then me child had 232 projects. See details. And never. Me need now.
How many workers in the go?
Oh, that's what for workers.
Okay. Fashion, me back. Okay, we did for 19. Where we work as an work now. My end to us.
Only baby. Only baby.
Meet you.
Me se no. Amemo na ekoso APP.
Any factory ni. No mo kira wono. Location mi bia awom.
Factory a o ka wa sem no. Kene Agyapong kwa po no onye o mapanyi kwa po no. We bie factory be ahoro kwa po a wafa workers bebra o go mo ye adwuma. Na do e bomb maganafo.
Okay, CCI no.
Oh.
Yeah, papa, fashion me back. Oh, say CCI.
Obedi ade no o ba no. E bohye a wo hye ganafo. Ganafo nya gidie kese wo ni mu. Na do is only person the whole Ghana. Obi ada ni re nyina hye ni mu say oba bibia be yi. Fine. Oba o si Ghana say. Oba ye hwaduma. Ya ye hwaduma na.
Oguso.
Make it so go. Make it some chemi. Wasai no. Enam. Nanado so Ghana say obi awuko. Nanado kro ya na no so Ghana say obi machine ya hye no ema waboka.
Okay.
Nanado na no so Ghana say obi da prison.
Okay.
Soldier for na no go side say omo go to ase no omo to ase ana. Still yesu no. Me kwa mi nyoma panyi kwa wonya asa bakope ewo Ghana say ebetuma to ase se ka me ka me pen na ke foto me ma no ni say de bi America say say go ofre ohini bia Ghana ha ohini bia Ghana ha na ono nya ko general meeting na offer a share tom say wo ohini aye be won say isuo da wasase so wo hie so timani Baba says you so be to go. So ye politician or ye hoho, sani pa no ye china, wo so hene so no, aban no e de wo bika. Ka ohini be de be ma ho kwa say ye be say issue. E to ka je be say Ghana say wa ye defa ho. Ghana say ni ti obi ewu. Wo so on mo ja issue na mo say no. Ghana say obi ewu. Ya chesi obi, wa to so wewu, ya bo bi tu wewu. Obi da prison Ghana say ti obi su ni machine ayira Ghana say obi machine ahye wakoji loan ni nyina ahye eti Ghana say no ye to ase ana
99 CCI
meba me ka sama chi meba eti sema na nado ka che nyina no me hu se o yeso adwuma
okay nanado wo se nanado anye na adwuma Kennedy
me ba Kennedy dia so nya petre wo pre waja se
mitio
nanado ndemo okeka nyina no wa anya mu kwata Emma Ganafo. Sika na do G ya fiti Lawrence a G ye kufo ba G ye Mahama ba G atamazie ye ka ni nyina bo ba ko ene na do ku aska G ye no e buru sa ne pa fo yo musika so omo de ye de ewo oh my Ghana na se wo so mo na IMF ye ne sika mo do na se mo de ye campaign mo se mo bo ko IMF ye ne sika ebu obi de mo o se ye iso amode Kene de Agyapong asem o waka no. Me bra ka ho asem no.
Okay.
Nyansa ngom eto asom. Tieo. Kene de asem o ka nyansa ngom eto asom. Niema Ghana for youth no anase o man no. Ye nyina ye de ewe bi ti say tie. Enya agi tum yo but bi ti say. Se na ye agi Kennedy etum no. I said one person who share parliament, the whole MPs ministry, ministers, DCE, Obia or parliament Biano. She's the only person. I want to make be a Juma Ahura. Our workers more than 7,000. We hear Juma. Our the company. I hear a buying company.
Permanent workers, okay.
The youngest Busum 1 month. Sikase the fin account to our the workers car. What must say? It's a no nice say, no. It's not only can I some more. I say, yeah, did not to say. Oba, Obia, why be pendy, Oba, or better make a near chest, sir.
Intuition so intiminya.
There is an amateur.
Okay.
Yes, an amateur. May just say, New Boston or Ocean. You say, why be pain? But I don't just say, what can say, breed? Nay, the 2 minutes more ye. Nay, I can say, on a book in Agyapong, and I say, on my book in Agyapong. I before say, almost good dying a book, look as far by armor yet, or hand power, or no one can say, on offense kind, and way. Bob, and what to mock in. But I don't know 2 minutes, one more any fee. Say, catch a crop for no to money.
Do it to say, when your power you and I see, and 2 minutes and I'll wait me as a sign. As I send your work.
Many man could get the war, a Punyano so. Our Mukasa, German Nubia, and the 2 minute more movie, when you got to be a pen of real from
Young Gray anointing was well. Say we are contaminated.
I'm almost so far.
There is some way before, and
I make sure because the Nando, the real Ghana for G, a Kufado, Tumpa, were flop totally. It's your man, MVP, a man was saying, and you'll be a he. And you're Ghana for your he. And you'll be at time. Now, what's the IMF? Ecoposia, Ediaba. The Abai say, on the fact government workers, Bio was Oniska, or yes, I'm not last year, November. Yeah, how the last time since 2018, Ghana migration forms assigned. Omunko esas you, yan pass you. Omunko train you. Omunko forms no, omunko fie. Since 2018, Ghana migration. 2018. How many years ni? We got to forms 2018. The whole Ghana, yan started. Recruitment and I perform can say
recruitment.
Beautiful name, man. No,
Answer number 12, so remember for the messages about Rosemont Dati or say, wow, that's my man. I say, which was a Kennedy, I saw now work on a ton of muscle pa. And Carlos Mauli, IV, also say he speaks of practicals, and some people are diverting from collapsing economic to digitalization, whilst most Ghanaians don't have bank accounts. The next assembly, which was indirect to someone, and we so say, that's Ghana for you. Say it's all no fear. The next only parents are now working, which means Kennedy are now working here. We bet me a general simply and password Cassania open. That Wabra is Rubia near the bay. Any so a word to my and I am I agree. Who say no crane or anything?
And see, all say, baby, I Ghana man could do no more. A good for do any Baumia. Only the Ghana, I could see you so, and it's sure you for mine. It's a man, yeah, go money, yet it takes so many. Oh, yes, may say, oh my God, I go for the Baumia. Maybe not politics, but maybe go too. I take 99. Okay, no one has perceived. The not the Baumia, only the Ghana was in Suso, and I swear you soon I have a Ghana. It's yet it is so many. Means what? What's your back on what did you or area seno? China for Sika, Ghana for my China for no. China for the check to or my Ghana so say. La do not say Ghana it me and just I was na ma Ghana ECG. China for see all the masala be there. Education all the masala there. Abetuso. Airport all the masala there. Abetuso. gold, oil, timber, cocoa, bauxite, and Niama, a yet or mind up at any China for say a minute swan, near first can ma, over the Musa, a bit too sunny money. So that's it. Among a William, China for a deal, William. Massa. It's Ama. Yes, a wa, what if ye now nim was a year say no, Yanya Quenya, Yaba, black for Bissia, 18 Cassa, it's the enemy episode system. It's the member transfer. Nya black from the transfer, mean defend your view. We had ne ya, I will say it. We are the Bonnie American. Say, anything for the take us, we are there in America. But Nyame Chian said, Kennedy, Agyapong, and before 2 minutes almost found mamma. No quite ever could Kennedy, Agyapong, 99, me say, and before 2 minutes almost found mamma.
How sure are you?
Oh, yeah, can't say SSDA. What is it? Me can't say SSDA.
We are home, I said,
they are here to Abba. Me a program over Raymond ready for framing. Me catch up say, Alanca's flag in Kitano, a tough baton, and a Kennedy be fine. For beginning, like I said, Kennedy, let's go the vote back of General Alanca's. And attending, and allow more flag off when a Kennedy be fighting. You better have an aviano, Bawman number 1, Kennedy number 2, Alabama number 3. Now, so no, ye be real Kennedy Japan, I'm about me. A happy election about November 4th November yano. 100% thief. Because of
I said it all.
Me say 100% thief ya de chrono ya be yia baumia e be yama baumia total hands down. It's all say be to aban one big platform so obia script here physical no ya nyene sa mo baka say region by region. Say na be is mafia work. Na dem baumia eti Kennedy na ye ka fo no say ye ka fo Kennedy that was say 2028 there fine because MPP they work on strono on fa Kennedy emreye me nya MPP delegate tenamino kalo me nya MPP delegate but ye comes to the point we say second MPP delegate for tiasie nobody Kennedy emreye on my Ghana for there kaye de aka no e we yesa no e de tumi be ma no na ye nhwe se insem na onenam na okan nyina no se obetumi aya na because why be pen e te de tumi ne dey e ma no but MPP youth no e say omo na tumi nyina e se omo so e say tumi nyina agina delegate for so delegate for no tumi nyina kita on see e say
me bo me ntwa no na me to ase ya na say delegates no omo ma dwen no omo de omo adwen so be ma Kennedy abedi
delegate no party chairman for ni bisha sumase edisika na sumase ewe mu se mutuma baomia na baomia ne pepe wini mahama Kennedy Japan onye good material
o nyina so
na oni social media na o pa mi yi won fo so kire
o se en e betimi aba ne sa ba to
so pa mi fo so kire na Ashanti regional chairman for say no mo so na baomia na se eko okay e do bia fa ni vote ma baomia e do mo na mo so mo na delegate for nyaka say obi afa ni vote e ma baomia e say na no ka tell me say me wo evidence wo
okay
e di me cho say see no Kennedy Japan no kasa nyina no na no e foto ye di man no ha no tie ye can say e man ni bi obi atem but on can ne woni tima ana me boa na dwuma obest mi aye di abo man ene na so di ma dance ye e say ye ti he kana ye kama no tio ye kama no but ye need to me say ye ba ko tu abane bi say ka ye tu me say ye ba ko tu abane bi dia e bia ye nipa for one vote pe no etima otimi win in the city no be ye o mapanya ke ye but MPP delegate o na Kennedy Japan no o wadwuma ye wo MPP delegate no Kennedy Japan o wadwuma ye e ho that point ho say e say if 2 million man wo delegate for 2 abase mo di ma Kennedy Japan o mo di man we dia na aka ne dia only o man Ghana any John Mahama asem
Maybe I'm saying about you. Yeah, Papa. Now I can't see me. And me also, and so I can say me. Now, and no, I say about some. Not Kennedy can't see me. If I tourism home, and they send you a bar, OBDB in Numa, any idea. But I can say when they quite send it, yet they are not a dog. And Cassia, it be Amway, and no, now can say it's all about winter.
And yes, I'm missing.
Okay.
Who say, you might be up for ye, see, Dia. Unia, what drop plan? Or more Miss Danny Pie workers, and I'm a one. Thank you. You might have the money, but workers no only you, not only who say, I had a year qua Eddie. Ghana, M say, Yayra, a year check, near continuously a bayer.
Saying,
Ye nim ye nim say a Ghana for.
Sir,
Oh, ye what's yes, ah, Sika ye Ghana no, ye nim say a Ghana for and give you as a
yeah, Ghana for
Timamufon, ye penny for your my Ghana no. Say a dogana, now you will order back Ghana and give you a scada.
The Penny or don't
The batch oh, so papa. Your fancy of a power scar or what you might say, or the one I two one. So I could yarn. So I'm going by, and I'm a boy. Tim not a Jimbalania, and I'm a boy. But how ye Nippon could see a noa, or no gay or no pet, up to the 10th generation. Nippon can now here.
Kennedy Cassie, when I can say me, or so I know, you know, and your pet say, a yen cry up my swat dear, and I said, the dream now or pet, a say. Obetimi asesa Ghana no ay Ghana yi na owu a ana se da chi bi no otwane na no won se be go ni dia ka se papa we e na esesa o my Ghana ba se ene mpanifo no e bia na adwen nse
there be na me ka se ekura ye ni national policy so ye den utimi nya we ye ni national policy o ana hu
e bia na oba be ho
wa hefa ye ni bi because even when it comes to education. Look at the number of times yasana.
Okay.
Idea ba kwa yasana ye constitution no. Eno de e favor way for no. Politicians no. Chomo touch ye, bo ma touch bibia. Ba uni bibi. Idea na yasa nka sesa idea no mo yasasa yo. E na ye twa ye ho. Ye twa ye ho. Kennedy opese ye to mana. O mejina no nka che ye se oba. Ne 4 years no the best constitution no. Me can make go round that catch obi say ya to Kennedy.
Say dia na no so kan nsi.
Dabi en kan nsi ho. Metie ne kasa eno nka ho. Obi obetimi aka che me say me ba. Constitution na jeje ye ma na ho no. It's time to let it go. Sa powers na ye de ma president a otimi ye bibia oga no bi kwa kokunipa ne de nkotum obetimi ayi no. It's time see ye betwam. Say o ma pani be fi akunya so na yetimi fa ne court and try no na sabi because o man penity it's time to stop it as Gracia kwasi asama bi TV da say Ghana pen da wo wo ye tua as Gracia e time I say come o balance wa be service politics enya adwuma politician enya adwuma wo so politician wo nya adwuma e service to the nation. It means about Bob Bravier. That's said you won't call on my year school. 1 year school, I'll say, me what were politics. What are we doing? Okay. So a bit to me, Jina, CPM, no, can't win now. Me matter my baba. Because, so what you in Ghana want? The only thing that Ghana sees here is the change of that constitution. And why?
Kennedy Cassie, mono. Adia kesia no wo boss no metie o ka se mo film fitiase na o ka adwuma sem ene se ne obesi a ibetimi abo ama mpuntu atimi aba eno so na ye ne fapem kese pa wogina so ana o ka ne ka se mo ba eba amendment of the constitution ne sa ne o mane de otimi se se wa anka kura na wo hwe ne ka se mo a obetu ho na mo
dabi nipa na me force anko be change constitution ne ekufo ado omo so da
so no so wa anka ho asem
David, but not the background could be prayerful. Now all call round, not all yet, or your lawyer by profession, and or yet a lawyer not or kuma some money be. It's not on no himself or himself constitution and yet only Muhammad himself constitution and yet
a work for
ena mi ka se mahama na odo so o preso oba o the constitution nye
nti se oba se yentoma wa
se yaji
se so constitution be favor nti so ba ko se yentoma
e bi o yesa na wo no Ghana ne mi ka be wonte
yitio
politician been chairman so Ghana no ka say enough of this constitution. Let's change it.
Politician obeba abaka constitution ho asem de obeto.
Me beto ama no. Me nyi hu mienu. Because ye bra Ghana na ye no. Constitution na e ma the president power. Say offer inkofo e so mo check no. Ah, na what be that? Okrofo okoko wi ade no. Judge no what appoint no. And who appoint obi in Ghana. Constitution ebe no. Na since 92, wo bi enya say constitution we enye. JJ time no ye man no understandable. That time na enye. O ye man because at that time ye ni nyoma na ekoso. O the ye protecting ho. Are you saying say Ekufo Addo Mahama Atamils Ekufo omo nyina enye wo say constitution we e bo Ghana. It's not about programs. Ade be kwan say ya be sisa constitution no na ye ma inkofo no he Obama ba Ghana asem o kan yan fa nya must say let the institutions work. How do you make the institutions to work? IGP and no ye bibia na man call hey massa drop down. CJ Chief Justice no office no o say ene de metimi akasa because me nia ba mu o patches no wa ba mu o timi kasa. Ade na yenu no ye ho na we are being hypocrites here. Ade na ye what I say because the IGP our full power obe say oye bibi of that fear or favor. Ade na bisa ho. Ade na every time you fa yisi. Now the opposition is talking. Since 1992 every time be fa yisi be the opposition is talking because we are na ye won ultimate money pa mienu ye kwa kobobo na nka che ba ko say go and choose the referee. Will it work? Ade na ye jimi ya wosa. It doesn't make sense. It doesn't make sense. Magi wa me tiase. Yes, if you obebe bia no, the president in power no e support no. Opposition say wonye identity because the president what has what appoint the EC. Meanwhile, only commissioners. So they can appoint their own chairperson. And then the idea way is so difficult. In that team for so young green question say idea way e ha Ghana. What are we talking about? Yeah, the Jesus Ebetina Ghana Kunyaso. Near the constitution way back, Jesus will fail. I'm telling you.
Na that's it. Yes, we fail. You yate. Odi for 99. Kennedy Kasano. Send ti voice no e wo video ni mu no. No ka say bi say empani for no say obo machi kakra. E say empani adodo na abetina akunya na so na ye parliamentarians ni bi no. Dodo na ska e yo ma adwene but ono ne ka say mo ne de o kire mu say enye skanti no wo ba. Nemu oba say oman no ebe dane ne aboni din aka say papa we anase onimonyamfo Kennedy ohene Agyapong e na asese oman no ususu eno so so musen
asem wo ho what do I say asem wo ho asem wo ho ni say jesi epanyfo say epokura eden so to gu
okay
na found say ona beka Agyapong o sikenti no oba o mansika o tifanisa embo found say obeti da boom seconds anything bi o bebia ana ye ka sho say ana do ye ne o kan ye chance but we no the way Kennedy e kan answer mo no o pese o kire Ghana for say mi wo sika it mean for my sika nyehwe e go for do o ba o ka kire say ye wonu to sika mu no no busy gra oni busy da on for drop
but what say so no na do
oh the same other party
say MPP but enta for kra so no bia na adwen
me say other party
MPP
eti yedin nam kama so
yetio
saka ba ko CPP a e ka say so omo mo de ba e the same moja ba ko party na
okay
eti ni obeka bia the same party amu ba ko na mo de ba tie na la do see ono ye wonu to sikemu ka kwa de ko school kwa oboka na de ka enye
Best.
enye ka we o si best ya
Benz.
Papa, I know the go school.
Correct one.
What must here? You can gali a bees. You see, what funny say?
Gobe.
Gobe, that's a gobe, that's it.
Gobe.
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 Oh, free people
Say
that
I be say cameraman or no new.
Gobe.
Oh, no.
Ah, so pet go back in alone. You remember they have gobe for her.
Wow. Oh, see, oh, free be that. Only be that. What must say? Na ayana. Edu baby a omo kan sem see na. Omo to anua egu yeni. Da fly adwen. Esiri adwen. Ya adwen omo sili. Ya adwen. Na do eba power. Do bia dem say straight. Okita tumi bia. Sana ka boss okay. Ghana mara ya try to we. Na do better must say second step. Because na always me nyina be wura ni mu say ka bo ba na de no be bebre de e be sisa wo Ghana. What must here? Na Nando nya 2 minutes we a obetre kunya no so no. Nya say e see the hu the we a amemu no e kofa because na in some all kind nyina no wantimi anye hoduma ama Ghana for e mo no dimpa. Kena Agyapong wa kebi. Ba be say me cho say Nando e kan ye chensa. But all can adwin ni office of betima all can and if it can be said say the 2 minimum ni wie na bia ka say Kennedy abeka na pass omo kwa na say no ka cho me say mo ka cho me ohini no wo say ofa ne sika ex akwan na say what to fu na ma no because all ba nyina so na me pass abeka nyina say e fa 2 minimum
ba say o ka say wono I say you comparison wa ha no o compare
me say me yeah say me na me picture say 2 minutes na Nando kita na Nando no ho na Nando bet me me bebre o Ghana ha ka Kena Agyapong ka on so nda go so ba
senka ekoyie ma no a enka o ha no kra senka oba ba ankoyi no
sa
so oba no be ni ye etina se e wose yehu ne se sene oba ne kasa tie ne nana motu because wa hyase e wo hwe sene ne nwuma tie ne sene wa ma employment e koso na so wetimi aye
ye do betimi aye ba edu ba bia ne kasa mu no banya botre yakra
okay
o petumi no but o go straight to the point be say o person o tu efonase no hwe etuma edisie nipa na wa hwe Ghana fo o mu fiu because they tell me kasa ne say na na meeting ni audio ba ko na o kasa ba tax wansem ko me fa so tax be bo man na se fo no hwe say e be di say obi say oba be di ade a oba be ma Ghana best at once I need America for be you the say in Marabako and I say any South Africa for America o promotion the same now you should be say and I would have I said Cote d'Ivoire haya Cote d'Ivoire only kata mutumi nanti ho say Ghana what talk say bia ya fa Ghana ka 90 and I say paper bia say the man timefo nyina say and then kita so ye Ghana ni a bedding because of say omo ba nyina fiti omo ba nyina hu say Ghana is a freedom day. Yes it is no so o can say bi na o person ye barrier e be ma e be put ni paragraph off but maybe me ma fam say ka ono de adwuma na eni o man no mo no onso so say o be bo ho mo adwuma asem no obeka wasem more I say ultimate emma amafo say on pa committee bi e be fa say me pa committee me pa committee wo asate region me pa committee wo west region me pa committee wo north na e bia eastern say na be ya voter say na be ya eniema amudi man say aban enyema mo no mo fa committee ni so na committee ni committee ni den e famra office ana ofama parliament na ye hwe na aban emwa go wanye ni saa ye won se be ti mi kat mi e office ni pa won pass o ko to tip saa na I hope say one way obedi idokun kwa
so nyina so enti a wakasa
na nyina so ne nyina so gina the delegate for so.
So council I say 2 bra with Tracy.
And I bet say you know, also them say. Or say for classroom and I be one. Also them say, Sir ban on on November year on me say classroom for no what they be all can say over the 2 minutes. If a man
Grassroots.
and then
Grass.
I mean my school. The classroom.
But me ba shop so na fa messages in the bra. Cause na fa messages no e bra na ye be kinkan e de ama ye bre no ye bre anesa. Na answer na no quick one me pa cho Kennedy asem no ye ka ho ensem bibre na protest because so mpese ye nka e ho asem ba ku mienu bi na ye fa NC protest because so I nam so ma ye kanema mpeni John Agyapong kufo ni din ya na entan kamenu because we free sunti one also
Dear
wa be kan ho ansem se eni kwan se gidigidi ekoso e wo man sa se bibi se ekoso se e dia abotre e na ye ho adwuma because o man ye frɛ ho se ye democratic nation ti o senka bibi ani a ye wano na ye bɔkɔ na ye nkitahudie esensenka etuo ne sekan be kasama awudie etimi abem na nsɛm o kan ye uso se
Me de no kan na no ara no me ni we isi ewiase no yese asundwe ekova bibia na de bia me se enye kra no wontimi fa compare basawasa ye
no krem
enye kra wontimi fa compare basawasa ye wa kokro bi mu a law bi anya adwuma de wona ka bo nse Ghana we are far better akakakra ba ye boy ye homode ba ye see no ano let's be clear leaders of demonstration no almost cause be a contempt of courts.
Okay.
Your mouth injunction. Now go ahead and say me kwa. You have what cause what we call contempt. I just said what book court no enintia. And we are two. Okay. My hiding behind politics. Now ye nyini maybe a emfa emrem. What in America I say? E wi ase no bebre wo ho no ma omo wo ho no ma ye say na ya hide behind say a court of competent jurisdiction e ka jo say injunction was so don't go o kwa ye becho
me ba me ntwa no but video bi aba abonten yem kɔ ne nkohwe video ne mra ba ya be ka ho ensem ba ko mi
jail. Think about it. Like, can I send you in right now? I can't do it. Why are they in jail? For standing around wearing black t-shirts or for declaring that they want to go on a demonstration? They hadn't even taken one step to what have they done wrong? What have they done wrong?
A number of the protesters, one of them was seen during the entire processing stage feeling unwell and requiring assistance before they were even taken to the police station for whatever questioning and statement as it is that was expected of them. And so currently they've been divided, but over here at the central police station, where it is believed that Oliver Barker-Vormawor is being held along with a number of the other protesters. I mentioned that they've been divided into various groupings. A number of the demonstrators are coming here.
Video no ama yehu senior esi ekwa esi fire we say ye tie bi ye pie bi sheka mo ebi nso ye esi diri mo kama na timamufo no ede ensem bebre atutu dwa obi a akyere na adwen koso na also fa messages ne ebra wonso kyere wa adwen ye bekinkan ede ama e wa ha say when you go so a wo hwe too much gh me pa cho ye be kwa me papa no ho ne tutu ensem no sre ne abasa isa say ye bre no ya ye be ntini ye be bo no tofa ede ama mo na ye be san ede entoaso esan ede aba me sha se every prophets 99 ho openi memo akwa ba bio aha ye nyina ya hwe video no na ye ho sene esikoye na so ma ye kane mampeni John Kufo aba abeka ho ensem ese etwase e ma so dwemom etena se esen se ye digidigidi ene basabasa ye obetena omaimo uso se
e papa Kufo nya me hira no you see the only president Ghana for nyina e bodin a apart from kwame komambe so ye bodin a e bo ne binka say obeye adwuma pa to bia the respect among say obeye adwuma obia ye na famu die ba ebi die eburu ebi die so waje ase na ne yakoso wo man no me bremu obia se me bremu journalist
adentia
me say ne yakoso man Ghana no to see no me bremu obia bio me bremu journalist
adentia
because since Nana be dia de wie no sa den to chima kwa na omutimi na so omutimi nkamase yo station bi wonu ma I say omunya kakra kafro aban no muti no omuka na nado na se I didn't tia na etia
station si bi wo mo kamase
wa be ka ho asem no na ya for personal say we NDC station
say yes o be kan okre na ye be bu bonese
you say yeti he you see yeti no kwa na ye ka no na so obi tie ye kasa na we ye NDC ni ana boss mi kwa so na ye no kwa na wo so ka
say bible kra say mo ma fan to mo so man nya wo
thank you eti journalist for no omo ka ho bi no man say
adentia
me can say na wo me can have it na obeti ma me say na na do be di ade no Ghana sinki omutimi nka
say bi kan
na na do be di ade ye twasika ahoro bebre kwa 5 cedi ye wo different be ma 5
ni na ni
hwe wana ka kire wo ene oni Ghana ha Uni Ghana ha go and check 5 cedi paper no you were short one you were different 3 so they were long one 20 Ghana you were different 2 10 different 2 1 cedi queen no sa ka say queen na say different 2 plus paper different 2 so stay how many times and they took petrol more radio for Manasuda, TV for Manasuda. Why did what catch your mind? I'm out for Tom car, Mr. Boss. Now I'll go to filling station. Oh, here. We never do it here. When who for example, bro, for example, say, yeah, they are go school, we are go school.
Yeah, prices.
Prices, you know, oh, yeah, prices I heard every where there was where there was
cheese.
Oh, because of said, yeah, my, yeah, be fair. Can be more, it's going to be a fixed price. It is from then, and your man yaba, now you me come free education quite a buy a crack. Eh? Ah, son, I cannot try exam say, we school before say, bra school, animal, school, and Pekino. Take in a minute, but say, if I for the pa, on my bravo, on my business, we I cannot try exam say, we pass you, pass it. But answer school, but funny say, bra, and one school it's difficult say, but school. This is a Jessica, a bit to 3,000 Ghana cedi, a bit to 4,000 Ghana cedi, a bit to 20 minutes, 2,000. And this will be see me, na me say, because me area how many perform to ya, Saskana and Sana, in quality Anya Square or Moko.
I said, yeah, so I
yes, free education. The free education, I did now. I can't pass it. One, I pass it. Now, this is one man school. This is a Jessica or the bride of Remu and some of the man school. When you know, a course system no more. But as in sort of said, radio for the TV for, who better come watch them. Now, but if I don't say, the air course, no, oh, cannot, oh, my 18. What may be my son, if you back. Eti se etu na edia obese timefo baka se omo ye demonstration ena demonstration so baka se omo ye so a ontimi si omo kwan se e ma mo nye e so omo nam genuine process so but I hope say process no mo nam so no na ye genuine no ka mo di ba metie omo letter no mo di ba but makai letter no da metie issue no metie o UTV da police for edi omolete ba point no we this seconds na no so omolete ba point say near police for ne kan no omo no omo enya adi na omo no omo di sa we nu komo sa ama omo ni say ade tia omo ye demonstration they say police for you na mo di let by say mo da asala ko court but court enya fa ho mo ye de e mai abra mo so mai police for say ade ti ye ko ade no it a better than the baby say near letter now police for the buy and the crack and the crack yeah it can be more sabio you see I say what quarter you can be can be more ka police for better to mo hono mo no kasa boko mo de nyam se mo ye no mo kasa o ma panyin obete na ya ja mo kwana mo ko say be ya mo nsa hwiwa simple ba se na mo chichi wo mo chire bi mo ye mo so mo jojo bi no sa no ene na mapanyin ko fo kan no asem be fi a ya ka e ya no ene ka e be kan boko enya itokwa se ya ka se ye ko ana se ye bo ye ho a na e be pata ni mia
the police for na ni
that's my point o ma ye ni yi me say ka o be to mo hono no e se ka o mo no mo ye de en kasa no mo to mo fo se we de srem ye nim se information na aba asem no court etika ni pepe mu a mo de nya opose mo ye no mo de mo je ha ya na mo nye no mo beka mo kan wa ha ya esi e kwa ko na mo akwa chi wo mo no mo ama asem no kwa ko na ayekese ma obi e hu se BBC e koso ana boss mi kwa esi chi na mo chi wo mo no mo ato asem no wi mo market asem no e da ma wo e bi akwa ko no ka mo kwa ko ka aban no onti message no mo di ba no ka ebia ekufa do onti ba enam say police for na ba chi wo mo e do mo ko police station no abaye breaking news e asem ene si wo gara ha o wo mo so mo de bo so say enti na ya chi wo mo no ho na aban be so o na be side e koso ana but me ti asem bi na me nim sa asem no de we etie say ebia me boss de bia no not akọ gogo ni ho bet ma gogo no hu ye boss ho
na asem
you see omo kono omo kita flag Ghana flag ka ho Russia for flag ka ho am say
flag different
omo di bomb e ba Ghana no they say flag na ebe mu nyina no ne eye hu e ma panyefo e so kese ne Russia for flag
That's all me bomb yo man.
They say the mono mo kwani nyina ye hu
Say flag now.
Flag no me town. One country flag ne mo pe. And this danger no. And nothing na police for no person on me question no. Because my information be say you see Russia for we ku obi wo honma wo Africa countries no ye show mo ye strong no boys bi na pick wo mo na ye train wo mo what I say na I say cool sensem oh na ye di sa adwen e hye mutum e de e ba e di sa Russia for flag na e pie wo demonstration no mu no ene na ya chi wo mo no e bi bia
okay but tell me that's Russia for flag in the assembly I Papa Ben Bruce member of you now can say me
Obia pension di wate
now can say me answer na me try so abehwe video no abranti ba ko de no hye kokon no hye kokon no can say me o say amemo na ye ti say bet o say I ti say bet na police one of them dey no mo ye no so mo pa o mo mie sales na kese pa mo na o mo ba because o mo nyoma dwen say o mo be ja asem no kan no so say
who say ne see ni na ko constitution so
yeah
because omo call demonstration because IGP your friend is saying government na appointing in it omo for say the police is standing with the government but senior government na appointing IGP no mean so they are protecting the interests of Ghana kaminya sure say san kwa say mo Quebec so because say uko baby na sabe emrakura wona ukura mra no ba wonim say nipa no no so oba no wono so da ni aprekomode no enti ese mi hu say ya me ne be kasa ni akofo kan ni nyina akosi say ti mamufo komode enti bibia ni a police for omunya boche ebi wo kwa ya bu mra so but then wo hwe ni ekọ oman ni mu a police ultimate do baby wo hu say pasapasa ya ko bo hu say okochi di papa kwa wan hwe ya e de oye ne kese ne beba nti e sa odu wan mo so dabi ma me twen ansa eno wo ho eno tisi wa use na adwen is out of the law na sabi ye police force so ma be bebre wo na ma ya form protocol what the protocol
na say
one to form to ya actually most of your police na kese ya form no enye adwuma no no mo pe adwuma ni wona ne wo fa bi ni mo bi ne de na akwahye mu enti eni kwafo asabe or adwuma no wo do say me ye police because I want to serve my country. What in America say? Enti na sanya wa we nyina be but yesu timamufo no eya ye mu mra kakra. Say me feel say me ye bia NDC ni na MPP wo power. It does not mean say asamo ba me pese me ya na me nya wo ko sympathy. Enye obi betimi abra. So I say because a court ama we say mamu kwa enye sa mko until I obenya judgment from the court say mko no enye sa mko no matter what I know they be agree and number 2 you say Jubilee House it say White House there is no way America your president demonstration no can say they call White House it doesn't happen because a security zone what in demonstrators now mko mo ni mo obi chim what the bomb association no wo do wo raw can so it as much as your person demonstrating you know within the confines of the law
it boy omo yes and omo nye ni here na
both sides police when no man nye ni me demonstration your first street so who na petition so person oh yeah you can even go to what parliament and present it to what the majority leader or the president
obi atro ha o say akwa Emmanuel Sam o say see move na say the omo ye ne ni je ho
and no dear say komo o say dey make say politicians should be careful near see what Tunisia Algeria and Egypt no and see how come the money pa sa dey no and na ni pemtimam for who say the penifoni discount say no mo disca ya sa sam we ya na beba it let's be careful ye bu man ye so mo man ye so party ye dey say ina me we dis na mo ina ye dey ye do Ghana Yama your actions and show. I guess I be a casape.
Medasi. Yadogana yema actions in show enye kasa pe no na Kennedy Agyapong ekaye no wasese o kasa dia no ama oboto won so aye adwuma now the actions no aka ho ye brani sha empani se kwan no wase den ya abobo ano a na ye bewie ye de besia na ansa na no ye bekọ ye papa no monchen na obia kasa no wa bona tofa de amaye mesha se efu ye papa Ben Bruce enchen eja
me de na make say Kennedy I wish him well. By Ghana ni or Ghana, son or see. As to whether you can true or not, no. Ya baby. But dear back over to me and yam votes and say or back at him say or by sister constitution. And then come here make around. And hear me, papa, because without a constitution, Obi of Babas built me away. And I'm number 2, yet him 4. Yan yana home. If you 1 year, we have done a right to. But I can say, yan anti, yan. Now police force on me abotre. Law no shall sama and no chance out me bibia. Omo di abotre wo yesi aitatia. Wo di abotre ya wotimi na koma anameboa. Ye nyina ye nya abotre nya sa o man no e ba kope. Ye bona mimi ni ba bia kom ye Ghana ni.
Medase. Ya papa odifo 99 edin me the prophet 99 and also misika o me ba beje. Aha says can be refi. Me di godi go be.
You give for your card to me.
Mate.
You give for your card to me.
And I'm over we for 99 your last words.
You give for the card to me. Memo, no shaky. Kaka box side. That they also pay mutu. I'm sir. Yeah, can be believed. Now, Nina and I had it. Yakam. The best let's say. Baby a Ghana go do Achia aso emuye ye wa roshimu say Ghana be yi me 99 wa roshimu say Ghana e be yi pa na ni ye be yi nyina no ye wonema ba kon mienu miensa bi a se nya obi a owo sa idea no no the bar Ghana be yi. The first place and the first thing, number 1, my pot. You habo no. Yeah, number 1. Because you can't mako, you can't maba. Number 1. Number 2, you 4. Number 3, sana timefono benya nyama ato ana benya edumaye asa. Na boss so dia no kan no. Ghana ye mra na ye chwo to hono enye adwuma ba se police so mu a no go du court a na ya kotu emra no ba wona mabontin a emra enye adwuma eti ese ye ma nkora na mo school esie no omo hu Ghana mra omo hu no mo sua na ye hu se me bo waso ba ko se po a ne e no go ja court a we yes do a medi Oni bibi. Me want to farm, but bibi. One say one of minister of Agriculture Parliament said, "Yendua we." Na we na ye dua no. 1 year keke no, sika we be maye no. Enya senkitwa. Adaya, ye di we e fry nuro enom. Koke so no, e di fry nuro no. Inside koke no, omo ji 2 preko. So much yet to because so no we 1 row na police ni chill na what my bribe no odo ko jira quarter 1 row no
right
1 row no ba ku say because man bail e wo court bi nipa no 1 row keke no ye court you know they say your man 10 years they are court you be free man 5 years. So what ton we so they a kaya you ton so I say more 20 years. The chimane more 10 years. Well, once a man we say no, any about you, but as a chi at nipa na all this happening now. Never a friend man say the man it. It's your best when you for say. Omoma, yeah, go school no. ana omo ko na first omo ko school omo hu Ghana mra se me ya de wi a emra e be di nse me ya de wi a Ghana mra mpe ne ya fete se so mo si fi no mo yifi Ghana mra e wo mu se e se ye reti dan busume boss me boa e wo mu se ye reti dan monthly e dan e se ne no dan re ji ni 2 years 3 years can say store the dan do two way store be ko ji wo makola 1 billion mi rapo ba afasa me hita me yinsem me dan ko ji store ba ko makola 1 billion store ba ko 1 billion no for how many years e dey mo say
acho me stop here
why can it
Me ba to for my neighbor.
oh me back to farm oh what just stop 1 billion na 1 billion the bank credit me say
the doors
1 billion it to asase esi dan the stock one to be 1 billion for 5 years na ne ba ko e den kwa no wa ko ton wo sa store no e da mo ase kaka na ya ka no muso musa ye ne ye ntan obi o mani to ma pa be fa o mani to ma pa ye be fa no a be yi no a be boa wo so no e ye ka mo asem but ye was the kind of mentality we it say we ye ndisi ni na enko yi a wo se ni ye ndisi ni ma wa dwe no diesel no wo diesel fu wa dwe no so ye MVP ni se enko ye se stay ni MVP ni a wo petrol no ayo wa dwe mu na wa dwe mu da wo clear because baby o man ko no se ye fa ye na si from na ya nye neutral na ye se ye jira one package a de bia no ye be ka chire o abrabo mu ya me shira mo me nka me da se ya me shira mo before no mani nya pa bo a obetima fa no man wa free perfect 99 0249 05 02 78 0249 05 02 78 krata semo o ya li o ne chisu bia no for the 99 wo ba broche dia de meka se ekwan na emwa o se no picture ba ya me be yi hita sama chen na maka chiro se ne be ya ibo be bia de be fa e be bompa ya ba de betima njo ya me shira o so be bia se Kristo maya me boss o chan se de ba too sure o ti too sure
Nyame adom a etina ye beto aso ebre enya enkoyi ni nyame adom etina ye beto aso beda se wa hweye eya na wo do messages no abantem se ne be betimi akenkan e de amount se ne onso betimi atra wade bo ha na opeso kasa den so akwanya obetimi enya ne se wo de o message no ebeba na yetimi akenkan e de amount e wa ha sei aha too much GH so me am de bre ene wo adwumadie kwadwo fure mema mo ene hwa adehye